Hi, I'm Aidan Smith at Barron's BMW Mini. At Barron's, we strive to deliver the highest levels of customer care and transparency, which is why we perform a complimentary vehicle health check when your vehicle visits our workshop. The health check is performed by our BMW Mini trained technicians, who will check the major safety features of your vehicle, such as brakes, tyres, suspension and fluid levels. Our technicians will also check for any outstanding quality enhancements and recalls, so you can be sure your vehicle is working to its optimum performance. The technician working on your vehicle will send you a personalised video demonstrating the condition of your vehicle, and should it be required, highlight any areas of attention needed with a clear explanation and advice. The video is sent directly to your email or smartphone, so it can be watched instantly whilst your vehicle is still in our care. Each area examined will be assessed using our traffic light system, showing green, meaning no action required, amber, which may require further attention, or red, meaning your vehicle requires immediate attention. Your service advisor will provide you with your report and a plan of action, should your BMW Mini require any repairs or maintenance work. For your convenience, you can also approve the work required online after you have viewed your personalised video. We provide these complimentary services because we believe our customers deserve an exceptional level of care throughout their entire vehicle ownership, ensuring you enjoy many happy miles of motoring. For more information or to explore our after-sales services, please visit www.barronsgroup.co.uk.